You need to expose an AI model web service hosted on an Azure Kubernetes Service cluster to external clients, utilizing TLS termination and URL path-based routing. Which Kubernetes components must you deploy? Option A, an ingress controller along with an ingress resource that specifies a TLS secret and points to backend services. Option B, node port services for each pod individually, omitting any ingress controllers. Option C, cluster IP services paired with public IP assignments mapped straight to the container interfaces. Option D, an Azure load balancer to manage raw Layer 4 TCP connections to the pods without HTTP routing capabilities.
When managing web traffic in a Kubernetes cluster, you often have to consider how external requests are handled at the application layer. Standard service types provide basic connectivity, but some requirements demand more sophisticated traffic management. Path-based routing allows you to direct incoming requests to different backend services based on the URL path. Additionally, handling TLS termination involves offloading the decryption of secure connections before they reach your internal pods. Understanding these mechanisms is essential for designing effective cloud-native architectures.
I believe the correct answer is option A. This approach is effective because an ingress controller and an ingress resource operate at layer 7 of the OSI model. This layer is necessary for inspecting HTTP requests, which allows you to perform path-based routing and handle SSL certificate decryption through TLS secrets. By using this combination, you implement a robust, secure, and flexible way to expose services externally while keeping your backend configuration organized and manageable.
The other options are incorrect for specific reasons. Node port exposes services on static ports across nodes but does not support native path-based routing. Mapping public IPs directly to cluster IP services is a significant security risk and ignores standard Kubernetes networking patterns. Finally, an Azure load balancer operates at layer 4, which means it manages transport layer TCP or UDP traffic, but cannot parse HTTP requests, making it impossible to perform path-based routing. For layer 7 requirements, always look toward ingress resources.